OG Lee in the house once again. Thank goodness. You know, it's been a minute since I've done the stock pick of the month. And I said I'm going to come back with a strategy that I do sometimes just when I'm thinking that I can make a quick pop. And so the other day I saw Wednesday, as a matter of fact, the Gap. It lost quite a bit of money based on earnings. And it didn't beat the street, as they say. But as far as I'm concerned, I don't think that by not beating the street by such a, not too big of a margin, that seems like more of a buying opportunity to me. I don't see how I'm going to let this company, the Gap, lose 20% of its stock value based on those pundits. I'm not going to do it. So I went in, I bought 1,000. It was at 21.38. Is where I bought it, and it closed at 21.60. So by buying 1,000 when I did in the early morning, because that's the best time to trade, especially when they're losing, in the early morning between opening and about 9:30 Central Time, 10:30 Eastern Time. The best time, so be on the lookout for that. It's going to be interesting to see what happens this morning, Friday. It's only open for a half a day today, the market, until 1 o'clock Eastern Time. So we're going to see what happens. But I say that's an easy way. If you got a little bit of time, see, a good company like that takes a 20% dip. You get in, boom, get out. That's just a swing trade that I'm showing you. And it's just a matter. It may not do everything we want it to do today. Right? So we may stay in for 2 days or so, 3 days perhaps. But this is just a short-term swing type of a trade that we'll do based on the street's reaction to the pundits downplaying this stock based on it not earning what it's supposed to earn. I think that it was a pandemic that sent the retailers into a tailspin, but they're on their way back up. But this earnings report really hurt the Gap, but not in my portfolio. I'm going to say I'm going to put it in for a short time and then boom, bounce it out, making a good little pop based on people's mistake on a company. The other retailers are up, so what I'm thinking is this rebound can come on that strength, right? So we'll see what happens. 1,000 in at 21.38, and we want to get out as soon as possible. Anyway, this is OG Lee, and I'll see you again soon.